Welcome to 10 days of editing with SMAL Presets. Today is day number 8. I am Monica Brown, or Monica the Mom Dog. Day number 1 through 7 was editing with the first 7 presets from the SMAL Preset pack, and today I'm going to edit with number 8. If you would please go ahead and hit that subscribe button before we start, that would be awesome. And if you want to go ahead and give it a thumbs up while you're down there, that would be even more awesome. Anyway, let's go with number 8 and just get started on this thing. There it is. I kind of like number 8. I just do. I love it for whenever I just want something different and something that feels very much like picking up old photographs from like my childhood and before, I guess. Just kind of that brown tone in the matte kind of makes me happy. I'm going to hit auto on the white balance. I'm probably not going to leave it there. It was really close to where I started anyway. I want to go ahead and, well, I would get rid of the grain, but this one kind of makes me want grain a little bit. So maybe I'll just leave it for today. Okay. Let's start by maybe bringing up the shadows just a tiny bit. Brought some of our hair back over here, and then I want to look at the tones. These come with these few tones here. I've been really feeling like the romantic one on this particular photo. Don't know what it is about it that I love. It just keeps it, you know, kind of in this, it's not like, it doesn't make it too different from what this particular preset is, which is probably a good thing. You can make other adjustments to whites and blacks. You can make them soft whites or soft blacks. I have been doing soft blacks, and I think I'm just going to do that again today because I just like that with this photo. It looks good to me. You can change your sharpening here. I'm just going to hit strong, see if we can really tell a difference and see where that puts it. I mean, it puts it a little higher than I normally would do it, but I feel like with the kind of matte effect that's going on here and with leaving some of the grain, that I kind of like it. Well, we could even go bigger on the grain, but I'm not going to do that today. But you can adjust your grain here also. And then I like to do lens profile just to get rid of some of the vignetting around the edge of the image, because my 35mm can really put a vignette around the edges. Usually I really like this one. It's not necessarily my favorite for this picture, but this is what it does. This is kind of what it does. I almost feel like I could even bump up the clarity a little bit. See, this is like too much. Can you see what it's doing? Definitely way too much, but just a little bit. I feel like it could use a little bit, just to bring out some of those details more than they are. And this is what number 8 does. Let's start with number 1. Take a look at what they all do. Here's number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, ooh, I would say 7, but that's not 7. That looks like number 7 got reset. And so I don't have 7. You'll have to go back and look at day 7 because I apparently lost that edit. Oh well, this is my life. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of these. There's still 2 days left of 10 days of editing with SMAL Presets. The next 2 days are black and white presets, which is kind of my jam. So I'm excited about the last 2 days. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm at Monica_Brown_photos, and my website is www.monica-brown.com. Thanks so much.